Yes, class, good morning. Today we'll discuss your problem solving exercise 3.2. Question number first year. Exercise 3.2, question number first. Let A equal matrix 2, 4, 3, 2 and matrix B here 1, 3 minus 2, 5 and matrix here minus 2, 3, 4. Then we will find here, find first part here A plus B, second part here A minus B, and third part here 3A minus C, and fourth part here AB, the product. Now look here, three matrices are given, matrix A, matrix B and matrix C. Then first part you will addition of the two matrices, and second part you subtraction of the two matrices, and third part here multiplication and subtraction, and fourth part here product of the two matrices. Now start the solution here. First part matrix A plus matrix B. Then you find here 2, 4, 3, 2 and plus matrix B here 1, 3 minus 2, 5. Now we will be adding both the matrix here. How to add it here? First element to first element according to corresponding elements. A11, A11 to addition, A12, then we will add in the A12. Meaning according to corresponding elements. A11, A12, A21, A22. This will be addition here always. Corresponding elements here A11. This is the A12, A21 and A22. The corresponding elements will be added here. The first is 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. 3 plus minus 2 plus 1 and 2 plus 7. This is your answer A plus B. This is your addition of the two matrices of A plus B. After that, you will be how to subtracting here a similar pattern, corresponding element to corresponding element. In first element you subtract to first element, second element you subtract to second element, and third element you subtract to third element, and fourth element you subtract to fourth element. According this way. And now this is the second part here, A minus B. First we write here A minus B 2, 4 and 3, 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 5. What is the result here? 2 minus 1 is plus 1, 4 minus 3 is plus 1, 3 minus 2, minus here plus, 3 minus 2 minus here plus, this will be the 5. 3 plus 2, 5, and 2 plus 5, 2 minus 5 here, 2 minus 5 is minus 3, means 2 minus 5 means minus 3, according this way, according to using the integers road here, 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So this is your final answer, A minus B. This is your result of A plus B. Yes, not only it, then we will solve the third part, 3 minus C, how to product and then how to subtract. First we multiply by 3, then we will subtract here. So first not on first and second part, then start the second. Yes, student. First and second part have been completed. Then we will start here the third part, 3a minus c. The solution of third part here. 3a minus c. First of all, you will add the 3 and matrix of 8, 2, 4, 3, 2. And minus c matrix here minus 2, 5, 3 and 4. How to subtract it? First of all, you will multiply the 3 in matrix A. After that, you will be subtract matrix C. So, when you multiply the 3 in any scalar number of the any matrix, then whole matrix will be multiplied. So then 3 2 is 6, 4 3 is 12, 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, minus 2 5, 3 4. First of all, we will multiply the inside of the 3 any scalar number here. 3 any scalar number, negative, positive, fraction, this will not matter. Any scalar number here, then you multiply your inside. 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12, 3 3 is 9 and 3 2 is 6. The C matrix will write the same. Again, after that you will subtract here. Then you will subtract here 6 minus at plus 2. Then you will write here 8. 12 minus 5, 7, 9 minus 3, 6, 6 minus 4 is 2. This is your final answer. According to that, any scalar number in outside, any negative number, positive, fraction, decimal, this will not matter, but you will multiply the whole matrix, not single row, not single column, and multiply a whole matrix. Then you will get your correct answer. Just you note down. Then we will fourth part here, how to multiply of two matrices here. Then we will discuss here. Yes, class. This is the fourth part, is the important part here. This is how to product of the two matrix. Then start the solution of this fourth matrix AB. So then you first write the element of two matrix 2 4, 3 2, and product of 1 3 minus 2 and 5. So first of all, discuss here that these two matrices possible of multiply is possible or not. First we'll check this. What is the rule of the multiplication rules here? First multiplication rules here, first of all check this कि any matrix, suppose any matrix here Ij and multiply suppose any matrix here Bj, what is the order of this matrix? What is the order of this matrix, or what is the order of this matrix? The multiplication rule say here कि suppose order of this matrix is m into n. Then order of this matrix here, this is n into, suppose you will multiply m into n, not down right here. Suppose 2 into 3. Suppose order of this matrix is 2 into 3. How many columns of this matrix? How many columns of this matrix? This is compulsory. 3 into 2 or 3 into 4. This is not matter. 3 into 4. This is not matter. For this row and this column will be matching here. Number of the column in matrix first, number of the row in matrix second. This will be the same number, then multiplication is possible, otherwise multiplication is not possible. Suppose here number of column here suppose 2, so here it is necessary to in second matrix will have two row. Number of column here 2, so here necessary 2 row here come. How many columns? This is not matter. Suppose your column 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not matter. But this row matching this column. This column is the first matrix, and this row is the second matrix. So this is the multiplication rules of the any two matrix. Now, next things here, so how to multiply here. So this condition is satisfied. The number of the column of this matrix matching number of the row of the second matrix. This condition is satisfied. After that, how to multiply of the matrices here? Suppose any two matrix here. How to multiply? So when you move in the first matrix, you will move in the row. So then you will move in the column. Second matrix you will move in the column. First matrix will be moved when multiplication condition is possible. Then we will multiply. How to multiply here? We will directly don't multiply the 2 1 are 2 and 4 6 are 12. This is the condition of the addition and subtraction. Multiplication rules here. First matrix will be moving in the row. Second matrix will move in the column. First row, first column. First row, second column. Then first row, first column. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. According to this way you will multiply here. Now multiply here. Start multiply. 2 1 are 2, 2 1 are 2 plus and second 4 2 is plus minus minus, so minus 8. 2 1 are 2 and 4 2 is minus 8. When minus sign here, then you put the minus sign, otherwise put the plus sign. Next, first row, first column multiplication is complete and between sign here the negative. After that you will multiply your first row and second column. The 3 2 is 6 and 4 5 is 20. Plus sign. First multiply 2 3 is 6 and 4 5 is 20. First row, first column multiplication this portion. First row, second column in this portion. Second next here, second row, first column 3 1 is 3 and minus 4. 3 1 is 3, 2 2 is 4 minus 4. 3 3 is 9 and minus plus 5 2 is 10. So second row, first column multiply here. Second row, second column multiply here. So 3 1 is 3, 2 2 is 4, 3 3 is 9 and 5 2 is 10. Then you multiply here. After that you will calculate here. 2 minus 8, this is a minus 6, 26, 3 minus 1 and 10 90. This is the multiplication of the two matrix. So how to multiply of two matrix here? First row, first column. First row, second column. Second row, first column, this portion. Second row, second column, this portion. According this you multiply, then you will calculate, you will get the correct answer. Yes, you note down. Suppose so you know A product of the A matrix B will be does not equal to product of the B matrix A. This is the property of the matrix. So this will be never come the same, and this will does not equal. Never come the same. Product of the matrix AB will be not equal product of the matrix B and A. Means result of the AB different of the result of the BA. Always, this is the always, not with any particular question. Every question. Suppose you will multiply B, multiply error, the result will become the different. Now check this. Now check this. Suppose you multiply a B into A. How to multiply a B? First you write the element of the B 1, 3, minus 2, 5, and multiplication is 1, 2, 4, 3, 2. Then you multiply here. What is the result of the product of the matrix A here? This portion, and product of the matrix B into A here, this portion. So 2 1 is 2 and 3 4 is 12. 2 1 is 2 and 3 3 is 9. Sorry, 2 1 is 2 and 3 3 is 9. This portion. You move in the row and move in the column. Next, first row, second column. 4 1 is 4 and plus 3 2 is 6. Minus 4, 2 2 is 4 and 5 3 is 15. 5 3 is 15. And next, 2 2 is 4, 5 3 is 15. Next, minus 8, 4 2 is 8 and plus 5 2 is 10. When minus sign coming in between, then you put the minus sign, otherwise you put the plus sign. Now calculate it. 9 to 11, 6 4 10, minus plus 11 and plus 2. So now this is the answer of the product of the BA. Now you check this. product of the AB, product of the BA. So both the answer are different. Every question they have is a different answer. This is property of the product of the two matrices. Yes. Not on it, then you next question. Yes class, next question I'm taking question number 3rd here. Okay, compute the aggregate products. This I'm taking the 3 into 3 order matrix here. Compute the indicated products. So here 2 order and 3 order matrix here. So I'm taking 3 order. 2 order very easy. Then I'm taking the 3 order matrix. How to multiply here? Question number 3rd. Third question here. Matrix 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, and 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. 1 minus 3, 1 minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 4, 3, 0, 5. Now look here, how to multiply out the 3 into 3 order matrix. Now you check here 3 into 3 order, this same here 3 into 3 order, the multiplication is possible. So then multiply here, first row, first column here, so 2 1 is 2, 3 into 0 plus 0, and 4 3 is 12. First row and first column, 2 1 is 2, 3 into 0 0, and 3 4 3 is 12. Second first row, second column here, minus 6 and plus 3 to just 6 and plus 0. First row, third column, 5 2 is 10 plus 5 2 is 10, 3 4 is 12 and plus 4 5 is 20. First row, first column reducing this, first row, second column, first row, third column, 5 2 is 10, 4 3 is 12 and 5 4 is 20. Similarly, second row multiply first column, second column, third column. So 3 1 is 3 plus 0 and plus 3 5 is 15. 3 1 is 3, 4, 0 and 5, 3 is 15. Second row and second column here, minus 9 plus 4 2 is 8 plus 0. 3 3 is 9 minus 9, 4 2 is 8 and 5 0. Next here, second row, third column, 5 3 is 15 plus 4 4 is 16 plus 5 5 is 25. Next multiplication, first row, second row, first column multiplication this, second row, third column, and second row and third column. After that, last year is third row, first column. 4 is 4 plus 0 and 6 is 18. Second row, second column. Third row, second column. 4 3 is 12 plus 5 2 is 10 plus 0. Next year 5 4 is 20 plus 4 5 is 20, 5 4 is 20, 4 5 is 20 and plus 6 5 is 30, and then log this. According this way, first material go in row and second material go in column. Then calculate this portion here. What is here come here? 12 plus 2 14, 6 is 0, the answer here 0, and 20 30 40 42 20, 30, 14, 42, 15, 3, 18, 9 plus a minus 1, and 5, 5, 10 and 16, 5, 5, 10, 16, 2 over 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 56, 18 plus 22, and next 10 minus 2 here, and 20, 20, 40 and 70. This is your final answer. According this way you will get the multiplication process is the same. Suppose order 2 into 2 or order 2 into 3, this is not matter, but multiplication process is the same. Just note down it, then you will get the correct answer.